Welcome to your 10-minute guided meditation Wild Feminine series, calling back your energy and light. Let's begin by sitting or laying with spine straight, face and jaw relaxed, arms and legs uncrossed, eyes closed. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly out your mouth. This is your sacred time, your space to call back all of your energy, your light, your power, and to reconnect with the wild feminine essence within you. Begin by imagining roots growing from the base of your spine, down through your legs, out your feet, and into the earth. Feel the steady, grounding support of the earth beneath you. With each inhale, draw in strength, stability, and nourishment. With each exhale, let go of stress, fear, and heaviness. Whisper to yourself, I am safe. I am supported. I am home within myself. Now, bring your awareness to your heart center. See a soft glow of light there, shimmering in your heart space. This is your true essence. Your radiant, wild, feminine energy. I am calling all of my energy and light back to me. Repeat it. I am calling all of my energy and light back to me. I release and transmute any energy that is not mine for my highest good. My light is mine, my power is mine, and I am whole. Imagine strands of light returning to you from every direction. Past situations, conversations, relationships, or worries. See those threads coming back into your body, into your heart, into your belly, into your spirit. Every piece of your energy that has ever been scattered is now returning to you. Breathe deeply as you receive your light back. Feel yourself becoming fuller, brighter, and more alive. And now, with all of your energy gathered, sense that wild feminine stirring within you. She is the untamed spirit, the primal force, the loving, fierce energy that makes you whole. Visualize her as light moving through your body. Sensual, flowing, and powerful. Feel her in your heart, in your mind, in your voice, in your spirit. She is not small. She is not quiet. She is free. Now repeat out loud or in your mind, I honor the wild feminine within me. I am free. I am powerful. I am whole. Now picture yourself standing in nature under the moonlight, surrounded by trees or beside the ocean waves. The air is alive with energy. The earth, the wind, the water, and the fire all mirror your power. See yourself glowing, your light radiating from within. Your wild feminine energy dances with the elements, fearless and radiant. You are whole. You are sovereign. You are magic. And you are magnetic. Take a deep, grounding breath. Exhale and let it all settle into your body. Know that this light is yours. Your energy is yours. And the wild feminine will always live within you. Gently wiggle your fingers and your toes. And bring your awareness back into the space around you. Take one more deep breath in and hold it at the top. And exhale soft with a sigh. And when you're ready, open your eyes, carrying the power of your light and your wild feminine essence into the rest of your day. You are whole. You are radiant. You are magic. You are free. Thank you for meditating with me today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to come back for more meditations. Namaste.